Hi everyone, this is Dipanshu Jain and today we discuss about the most important tool of basic Excel is conditional formatting. Conditional formatting basically used for highlight the cell values by different conditional rules, data bars, color scales and icon sets. For example, in last class we create a sales reports. Now I want to analyze my sales report by conditional formatting tool. For example, now I want to highlight those cells whose value greater than 50,000 in fab column. First of all, we select the range between D4 to D9 and go to Home tab and click on Conditional Formatting tool. Then select Highlight Cell Rules and click on Greater Than rule. Now mention the value like 50,000. Highlight color with green. Then OK. Okay. Now I want to highlight those cells whose value between 20 to 50,000 in fab column. The range again D4 to D9 and go to conditional formatting tool and select highlight cell rules, then click on between option. Mention the minimum value like 20,000 and maximum value is 50,000. Then choose a color like yellow. Then OK. Now you can see the values greater than 50,000 is in green color and range between 20 to 50,000 is yellow color in fab column. Now I change the employee ID in A7 column E0004 to E002. Then select a range between A4 to A9 and go to conditional formatting tool. Select highlight cell rules, then click on duplicate value. I want to highlight duplicate employee ID for red color. OK. Now you see the duplicate employee ID E002 is highlighted in red color. Now I want to highlight total column by different conditions. For example, I want to highlight those cells whose values greater than 1,50,000, highlight with up arrow, and those cells whose values between 1 lakh to 1,50,000 highlight with middle arrow, and rest of the cells highlight with the down arrow. Then first of all select the range between E4 to E9 and go to conditional formatting tools and select new rules. Now change format style with icon sets. Select the icon styles in 3 arrows. You change the type in number and mention the value. For example, 1,50,000 greater than 1,50,000, highlight with green arrow or up arrow. Now again change the type in numbers and mention the values 1 lakh, which means greater than equal to 1 lakh and less than 1,50,000 highlight with yellow arrow or middle arrow, and rest of the values highlight with a down arrow or red arrow. Then OK. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.